This is a super important if you want to have all your marketing integrated and automated. So don't miss a single piece of data. Now, let me introduce myself. My name is Ima Fernandez. I am the Digital Growth Manager here at MDirector. So what do I exactly do? Well, I focus in growth, identify growth opportunities for the business. I also work on getting and keeping customer happy. And finally, I use data and automation to improve everything we do. Now, let me tell you a bit about who we are. We are MDirector, a powerful SaaS platform for email and SMS marketing. Our platform helps you automate lead management, which make it easier to organize your contact and provide also landing pages for lead capture. So you can get more leads. We have over 17 years of experience in the business, and we deliver more than 600 million emails every month for our clients. We have more than 10,000 clients around the world that trust us to handle their email and SMS needs. Our clients are very happy with our platform. They give us a high rating, 4.2 on platform like Trustpilot. Also, we are part of ISPD group, and we have offices in many countries across Europe and America. Today, we are going to dive into the world of integration and see what they can do for you, for your marketing. We will start by making clear what is an integration and what is used for. Then we will get practical. We will talk about credentials and how APIs help with both email and SMS marketing. We also look at webhooks and how send transactional emails. Next, we will shift gears to understand what is a plugin and what is used for. We will specifically check out how they work with a popular platform like Magento, Shopify, and WordPress. And for those who want even more connection, we will explore another option, Zapier. Finally, we will open things up for your question and answer. So feel free to write down any thoughts as we go. So let's get started. Don't worry about taking too many notes, because after this webinar, you will receive an email with three very helpful resources. The full webinar recording, the presentation slides, and as a special thank you for joining us today, we have a special offer. You will get 10% off in our MD Pro plan, which includes all the powerful integration we have talked about. We hope these resources and the special offer helps you take your marketing integrations to the next level. Now, let's start with the basics. What exactly an integration and what is used for? Simply put, API or application programming interface is like a translator. It is a set of rules that lets different computers, systems talk to each other and share information or functions. This means one program can use a feature from another. We also have FTP, File Transfer Protocol. Think of this as deliver service specifically for files. It is a way to transfer all kind of files between computers. So what are the advantages of all of this? Integrations bring some huge benefits. First, your contacts are always synchronized. This saves a ton of time and helps prevent annoying error. You can also set up automatic campaign creation making your marketing effort much more efficient. Then allow for transactional sends from other systems like confirmation or shipping updates. You can make APIs call to other systems to synchronize and centralize information, giving you a single complete view of your data. And finally, you can easily query campaign data, getting all the insights you need. Let's look to some real example of use. Imagine synchronize unsubscriber or incorrect address with your CRM. This means your contact list stays clean and accurate automatically. Another great use is sending OTP or one-time password via SMS or email. This address is an important layer of security for your user. You can set up automatic and periodic newsletters sent with your latest blog articles, keeping your audience engaged without manual effort. Integrations also help with sales tracking, giving you a clear picture of your performance. And you can even tag contact based on their website browse or activity, allowing you to personalize marketing messages even more. Now, to take this powerful integration happen, there are a couple of requirements. First, you will need a pro account or higher in MDirector to access to these features. And second, some of these integration do require a bit of programming knowledge to set up, but don't worry, the benefits are well worth it. Okay, credentials. To start integrating, you will need to create an API credential. Let's see how to do that in MDirector. First, you go to MDirector, click on integration, and then select APIs. It is important to make sure you select the master account. And from there, you will need to introduce the token name, give it a clear name so you can remember what it's for. Then select the scope, and this defines what permission your API will have. And finally, we will provide you with the username and the password. So you will need to use this credential. Then third, so now let's talk about APIs works, how the APIs work specifically in email and SMS marketing. You can find relevant information directly within MDirector. Just go to email SMS marketing, email SMS marketing tab, then click on settings, then click on APIs information tab. Or APIs user use REST API, which is driven by HTTP protocol. This means it works like a website, but for system talking to each other, the action it performs depend on the method used, such as get, to receive information, post, to create new information, put, to update the system information, or delete to remove information. Perfect. So now let's move to webhooks. Think of webhooks as an automated notification. They are automated calls sent to an external application when a specific event occurs with MDirector. So instead of constantly asking MDirector for updates, MDirector will tell you another application when something important happens. Here are some examples of event that can trigger a webhook. So when a contact has been added to a list, like list add, if a contact has been modified, when a contact has unsubscribed, if a contact has been registered as a bounce, when an email or SMS has been successfully sent to a contact. If a contact open an email, or when a contact click on a link in an email, we can also trigger webhooks when attacks has been added or when attack has been removed. This is the great thing is quite simple to set up. A webhook is configured with a single API call where you specify the event you care about and the URL of the external application to be called, along with any necessary parameters. This makes real-time data flow incredibly efficient. So let's use an example to make it clearer. Sending unsubscriber from MDirector to your CRM. Imagine a contact in MDirector decides to unsubscribe from your email. Thanks to webhooks, MDirector can automatically send a notification to your CRM system. This means your CRM immediately knows that this contact should not longer receive marketing communication, keeping your data clean and ensuring your respect their preference across the system. It is important to respect this. And also this is an instant update without any manual work. All right, so let's talk about sending transactional emails. These are those important one-to-one messages like order confirmation or password resets. MDirector offers several key services for transactional email. Message. This is where you can create and send your transactional email and SMS. Stats. Here you can check all the statistics for the message you have sent, seeing what is working. Reports. You can engage detailed. You can generate detailed report with all the information about your send. Tags. This allows you to see and manage the tags you have added to your message or for organization. So you can find all the specific details on how to use these services and the methods available in the transactional email tab under preference. So when it comes to actually sending this email, you have two main methods. You can use our API, which we just discussed, or SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. Both offer ways to ensure your critical transactional message get delivered efficiently. All right, let's talk about plugins. A plugin is simply a software add-on. In our case, it is a code that helps MDirector connect with another system without needing you to do any programming. You install it, configure it once, and then it's ready to go. Advantages. The biggest plus is no programming knowledge needed. They are typically easy to install. They save you a lot of time, and often they are free. Disadvantages, the main drawbacks are they only perform certain specific functions, and plugins are only available for specific applications. They won't work with everything. So if there is a plugin for the system you want to connect, it is a great, easy option. Now, for the Magento plugin, here is what is offered. List and contact synchronization, keeping your customer data updated. It allows sending welcome emails through MDirector, and you get activity logs to track everything. It truly simplifies managing your Magento customer and their marketing. Now, let's look at Shopify plugin function. It focuses on synchronizing contact from Shopify to MDirector, ensuring your customer lists are always updated. And like Magento, you can also get activity logs to monitor all the integration. Simple but very effective for keeping your Shopify customer data connected to MDirector. Next up, WordPress plugin. Let's look at WordPress plugin and its functions. This plugin allows you to create subscription widget right on your WordPress site. Any contact who subscribe through it will automatically synchronize with an directory list. You can set up daily and or weekly newsletter sent with your latest blog article. It is multilingual, compatible with WPML, which is great for international audience. It also allows for different newsletter template, giving you flexibility in your design. And as always, you get activity logs to keep track of everything happening. This plugin is fantastic for automating your content marketing directly from your WordPress site. Now let's talk about another alternative, Zapier. Zapier is a fantastic website service that lets you connect two applications together to perform tasks based on an event you choose. It helps you automate many tasks and connect web apps without needing to invest in programming or integration hours. It's all about making your life easier. MDirector offers several services available in Zapier, broken down into main types: triggers and action. Triggers, these are these are events that happen in MDirector that can start an action in another app. For example, a trigger could be a new lead added in a landing optimizer, a new contact created or updated in a list, when a delivery is sent to a contact, when a contact open an email or click in a link, if a contact unsubscribe, or if a contact delivery fails. like a bounce. Now, actions, these are tasks that Zapier can perform in MDirector based on triggers from another app. For example, actions include creating or updating a contact list, unsubscribing a contact, or even creating a new contact list. And you can also perform searches to find a contact within a list. Zapier make it incredibly easy to use to automate workflows between MDirector and thousands of other applications, saving you time and effort. So if you want to learn more about MDirector, reach out to our business manager, Julia Landis. Here in the presentation, let me show you. Here in the presentation, you can find the link to book a call with her. All right, everyone. So it's time for an exciting announcement. So we have an exclusive offer just for you, our webinar attendees. You can get 10% off in our MD Pro plan. This is the plan that unlock all those powerful integrations we have been talking about today. But remember, this offer is only for the first 20 redemptions, and it is valid until June 10th. So to claim your discount, simply use the code WebInt10. Don't miss out. This is a fantastic opportunity to elevate your marketing automation. All right, everyone. So now your chance. Let's dive into our question and answer session. What question do you have for us today? Feel free to type into the chat. So if there is no question, so we have reached the end of our webinar on MDirector integrations. I hope you find today's session insightful. Remember connecting with MDirector if you need help or support with account. Don't forget that we will follow up. We will send you a follow-up email with the recording, presentation, and the discount code. So thank you so much for joining us today, and have a fantastic day.